Good morning to Dr. Zulkarnain and my fellow friends. I'm Kunalan from DKM 6A and my matrix number is 24 DKM 18F1037. Okay, today I'm here to present about my latihan industry that I done at Top Glove Factory. Okay, first I need to introduce about my factory and the ethics of my factory. The ethics of my factory is why must we work smarter, harder and faster. If we don't, our customer and superior will do our job for us. When they do, there will be no job for us. Be proactive, alert and know how we can serve our customers and colleagues better. We must appreciate having work or business. We are not afraid of more work. We are afraid of no work, no business and no income. Okay, next about my company background. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is rubber glove manufacturer who also specialized in face masks, dams and other products. The company owns and operates 47 manufacturing facilities in Malaysia, Thailand, China and Vietnam. It also has marketing offices in these countries as well as United States, Germany and Brazil. The company was founded in Malaysia in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai with one production line and staff comprising 100 people. Wee Chai's parents are rubber plantation owners and traders. Next, I would like to present and introduce about my industrial training objectives. First, it's exposing students to real working world. It can help students to know about working environment and surroundings. Next, applying the rules of safety in the industry. Safety is one of the important things that we need to use and we need to learn at our working place. Next, introduce student ability, willingness and attitude to prospective employers. This makes students to go other places and learn more skills and experience. This can help students in their future. Next, increase and broaden the technical knowledge and skills. Okay, now I would like to present about what I done from week 1 to my last week. Okay, now week 1 to week 5. I done installing metal cover or PVC cover to avoid workers get hurt by the spinning motor. I done this job using PVC pipe and grinder. Next, fixing the bathroom door drill and door using rivet machine and bullet to attach the door and angle. Then fix PVC plate to door to hide small holes. This can make workers to increase their safety and privacy. Next, fixing a new fencing using zinc to avoid the outer view from company. This process done by me with reopening the old fence and fix new zinc with using screw and cordless drill. After this, I painted with brown color. This was done for 1 week by surrounding the factory. I done this because manager need to block the view from outside. Next, zinc were put into parts to make sure can enter the metal scrap. Equipment used to done the job are grinder and oxy cutter. This job given to me because long zinc parts we can't put it into the metal scrap, so we need to put it into small parts. Next, week 6 to week 10. I fixed PVC curtain at the canteen, HR office and factory. I also fixed it at the line entrance. This work done by me using some equipment. For example, cutter, PVC curtain and cordless drill with screw. Next, metal plate. This plate done purposely to avoid the rusty debris fall down to the floor. This plate can be cleaned and restored anytime. The next one is fuel pump stand done. It done by me and fixed. New fuel pump fixed. This pump welded and those holes done with drill. The next one is week 11 to week 14. Circular washing brush changed by me and assisted by worker. Old circular washing brush need to open and replace with new one. Equipment used are spanner, grinder, hammer and also new bearings. The next one is increasing the height of the pump stand. Height of the fuel pump need to be increased so the stand grinded and new whole metal added in between to increase the height. Later they attached metal welder and the fuel. Pump fixed equipment used are welding, grinder and screwdriver. The next one is camera stand. This camera stand made by me to be situated in front factory stand. This stand made with using 2x2 pipe and metal plate. Metal plate and pipe welded and holes drilled at the plate to attach wall plug. Later equipment used are pipe, metal plate, grinded drill machine and concrete drill. So I used the concrete drill and put 4 holes at the concrete to make sure the wall plug can be fixed.